All right, here we are with a 1600cc VW engine. It came in for a tuned up and it turned out the engine was weak, so the customer said go ahead and do a full rebuild on it. So that's what we're doing here. It came out of this 1966 Beetle. This one had dual Webers. I believe they were 40. So we're going to be taking it apart today, so stay tuned. All right. Oh boy. This guy liked silicone. Made his own gasket. Guess it worked. Okay, here we are. Got the 1600. Got it down to basically the case and the cylinders. There is definitely some wear. You can feel it right there. But I'm excited to tear it apart and see what they did for the inside. So stay tuned.